Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining on the introduction of Vibrios, helicobacter, campylobacter and pseudomonas. Coming first to the Vibrio cholerae. Vibrio cholerae is the bacterium that causes cholera, or the bacteria that is responsible for causing cholera in human, and is usually found in food or water contaminated by the feces from a person who is infected, or for a person who is bearing the infection. When a person consumes the contaminated food or water, the bacteria release a toxin in the intestine that produces severe diarrhea. These Vibrio are basically gram-negative bacteria, short-rod, which are often curved or comma-shaped. The organism is actively motile with a single polar flagella, and movement is named as darting motility, or the movement or motility of the bacteria Vibrio cholerae is known as darting motility. Coming to campylobacter, and this campylobacter is an important human pathogen in diarrheal diseases and accounts for about 90% of campylobacter infections. These campylobacter are small, curved, gram-negative bacilli which are motile by single polar flagella. That means having only one flagella at one pole of the, or at one end of the bacteria, and they are non-sporing and non-capsulated. They don't have any capsule nor any spores are produced by the bacteria campylobacter. Next, coming to the helicobacter. Helicobacter, it causes chronic active gastritis, duodenitis and peptic ulcers. Duodenitis means inflammation of the duodenum. Gastritis, inflammation of the stomach. Those are the causes of helicobacter, or where helicobacter is the causative agent for causing gastritis, then duodenitis and peptic ulcer. These helicobacter are short, curved, gram-negative bacilli, and they are motile by unipolar flagella. Next is pseudomonas. This pseudomonas can cause uh, wound infection or cut infection on the skin, and it is the most common cause of nosocomial infection or in wound infection or cut infection. And this pseudomonas is a slender gram-negative bacilli and actively motile by polar flagella, non-capsulated, and they do not produce spores, so they are non-sporing.